This is boiled corn, and this is also boiled corn with only one extra step. It's the season of fresh corn on the cob. In this video, I will tell you every secret you need to pick and cook the perfect corn on the cob, and a very special way to serve it. First, I will tell you how to pick the perfect corn on the cob each time. Open the cob this way so you could see the corns and how they look. The corns should look gold and bright without any wrinkles. This means that the texture of the corns will be tender and soft after boiling, not starchy. The second thing to look for is the silk on the top of each cob. The brighter the color, the better. When the silk is too dark, it means that it's very old. Picking the perfect corn on the cob each time is challenging. The sooner you eat it after picking up, the better, because the sugar in the corn turns to starch after 24 hours of picking. So make sure you buy it in the same day to enjoy the full flavor. Wash it very well, and now it's time to boil it. Sprinkle some salt and bring the water to a boil. Put the corn in the water, cover the pan, and leave it for 5 minutes or until it's fully cooked. When the corn is fresh, it doesn't need much time to be cooked. In the middle of the cooking time, flip the corn so you make sure it's covered in the boiling water in all directions. When it's done, I leave it in the water for 5 minutes without any heat. This way they reabsorb the water again and they're more juicy from the inside. Now you have the perfect corn on the cob. You can put some salt, some butter and enjoy it, and you can try my method to fry it and have an amazing taste. Put some butter with some oil in the pan and put the corn on it. Fry it for 5 minutes or until they take this color. Sprinkle some salt, some black pepper and some paprika. And by this, with only one extra step, you have an amazing roasted corn. The smell is amazing, it looks very appetizing, and of course it's very delicious. Try it this way and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.